What's up, Internet? So today, quick project on an RC car. So, Bonesaw's Garage, I work on a little bit of everything. And one of my newest hobbies that I've started getting into is RC cars. Bought my first one and doing a couple things to it. Don't want to go crazy right off the bat and spend a ton of money, but I did want to do one simple thing that I think everybody should do if your car doesn't come with it. And that is dealing with these things. Kind of hard to see. These are the body clips. There we go. A little bit easier to see it. These are what hold the body onto the car on the post. And we're going to put some retainers on there because the Traxxas Slash that I bought doesn't come with them. So this is really easy. You just need a drill and a drill bit, which I found 11/64 is the best size where these fit tight on this particular one, and some body clips. Now, even though these are from Arrma and I got a Traxxas, it doesn't really matter. That's the part number, the body clip retainers. These were about $4 for a pack of 4, which isn't too bad. My local hobby shop did not have any, and I didn't like the designs of the other ones, so I decided to go with the Arrma. And I'll show you how to put them on. So here's my truck. So I actually start with the truck body on the chassis, and I'm kind of OCD, so I have my clip sitting a specific way, like that one's turned a different way. But I will get the body retainer clips out, and then I will slide them on here. So with the retainers on, I will just find a good spot for this to sit. And I like to kind of hide it a little bit, so I'll probably do it right here in the corner. As you can see, that'll give me a little bit of slack on that. And I think it'll look pretty good. And I'll do that on all 4 sets and drill my holes. Now when you drill, you can actually reach through on the body and you can feel what's underneath. Just make sure you're not drilling into a suspension component or any of your electronics. So I got all of the holes drilled where I want them. So I'll take all these out. And another nice thing about these body clip retainers is they've got this extra part here, which makes it easier to grab to take them out. If you got big fat hands like me, it's a really nice addition. So these are really simple. They've just got a tapered part that goes in the hole that you just drilled. Just pull with a little bit of force and they'll pop in there. As you can see, now the body clip is retained onto the body. So that way you don't lose them, you crash, this comes out, it stays with the body so you don't lose these stupid things. All right, so I got everything on and you can see they're here. And just push on. And there's a little bit of slack on there, but not too bad. I think I put them in a good position where they're out of the way. I mean, you could put them wherever you want. I put them down here because you can kind of turn it a little bit. And it just looks like a retaining thing for the body. You could put them up here. As long as you've got enough slack, doesn't really matter. And then same thing on the front. Yeah, of course, post popped out, but these I put them at an angle so you can see it follows some of the decals a little bit and kind of hides it. Now the kit does come with some different body clips like these. They're a little bit smaller. I like the Traxxas ones a little bit better, so I just use those, but I have extra clips now if I need them. So if you're new to RC, I would say that's a great first upgrade so you're not losing these things, especially if kids are playing with them, since the bodies have to come on and off to change batteries and stuff. You don't lose them because they're really easy to lose. So